Hello, welcome back to my channel. So this is Ahima. If this is your first time, thank you so much for passing by. If you are my subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And if you have intention of subscribing to, please do not change your mind and subscribe. So this is another episode on how to grow a long and thick natural hair. I have already posted some videos on how to grow a long and thick natural hair. So if you haven't watched those videos, do well to check it and then come and follow this episode, because I post videos weekly for long and thick natural hair. So if this is something that you are interested in, if you want to grow long and thick natural hair, then please do not forget to subscribe before you leave this channel. So in this video, I am combining 3 ingredients, that is cloves, fenugreek, and then rosemary for hair growth. And these ingredients are so powerful that if you really want to grow your natural hair, then these ingredients should be something that you are not going to leave it out. You should always make sure that at least you are using these 3 ingredients. Either you're using rosemary or cloves or fenugreek. But before you use any of these ingredients, you need to do a patch test to confirm if this is good for your hair, so that it will not cause any irritation when you use this on your hair. So this video is self-explanatory, and I don't need to be doing a lot of explanation to this video, because everything that you need to know is in this video. You just have to pay attention and then go according to the video. So rosemary stimulates scalp blood flow, and then it gives nutrients to the follicles and provides antioxidant to the hair. Fenugreek, on the other hand, provide protein, iron, and vitamins, which strengthens the hair roots and it reduces breakages. Cloves, which is also packed with antioxidants, promotes and helps with dandruff and then scalp health. So all these ingredients are so powerful, and it is very essential for the growth of the hair. So you can make this by doing a tonic with these ingredients, or you can make oil with these ingredients. Whatever way that is favorable for you, you can use these ingredients for your hair. And if you want to single out, you can also do so. If you do not have all the ingredients available, or you even have just one of them, you can do so. So in this video, I am making a tonic from these ingredients, and all I'll do is just spray this tonic on my hair. From the roots to the tip of the hair. Make sure that every part of the hair is receiving this tonic, and this is going to help promote hair growth. It's going to leave your hair very strong. It's going to help you grow long and thick natural hair. It's going to add shine. It's going to prevent your hair from any hair infections. So guys, I don't know what you are doing, just subscribe to this channel so that every week you'll be getting tips on how to grow your natural hair. So if you like the video, you know what to do. Do not forget to share this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel as well, and thank you so much for watching this video. So after spraying this tonic in your hair, you can go ahead with your moisturizer, and then you can put your hair in twist. Whatever way that you want to do with your hair, that one is your business. So if you're not comfortable with the scent, you can also leave this on the hair for about 30 minutes. Cover your hair for about 30 minutes after you have rinsed your hair, after you have sprayed your hair with this tonic. And then you cover your hair for about 30 minutes. Then you can wash it off with a shampoo and your conditioner. But me, I am so much okay with the scent. I'm so much okay with this, and there is no problem at all. So I just leave this on my hair. Okay, so I'm going to see you in my next video. As I said, this video is fully explained and I don't need to do much explanation. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. I think I've said this repeatedly for so long. Okay, bye.